Airmasters was founded in 2001 by Don Wright, who's been in the business since 1971 and has a wide knowledge of everything related to HVAC. We've grown to be one of the largest HVAC companies in the Memphis area, and we've earned a 5-star rating on Google with 320 reviews. We also have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. That's because we back the work we do with our Airmasters guarantee. If at any time during the first year of installation you're not 100% satisfied with your system's performance, our service, or even our people, we'll remove the equipment and cheerfully refund the entire amount of the contract. For more details, visit our website at airmasterac.com.